All right, lesson 7 is simplifying radicals. This is kind of an algebra topic, but it's going to connect to what we do next. Also, make sure you are turning in a picture of your notes for credit. I'll put a place for you to turn it in. Just turn it, if there's an assignment, just turn in the notes with the assignment. Today there's no written assignment, so you can just turn it in. I'll put a place for you to turn in your notes underneath the lesson. Okay, with simplifying radicals, we're looking at perfect squares when we simplify radicals. So examples of perfect squares: 4, 2 times 2, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 4, 16, 5 times 5, 25, 6 times 6, 36, and so on. So how I'm getting these is multiplying two numbers by themselves, okay, or multiply a number by itself. 2 times 2, 3 times 3, 4 times 4, 5 times 5. So when we simplify a radical, what we were saying is break it into 2, and so that this first one, break it into 2 that are multiplied, so that this first one's a perfect square. So you need to pick from this list something that fits into 20 or is a divides into 20 evenly. So out of these, obviously 4 goes into 20, and 4 times 5 is 20, so I got to make sure the second one makes it multiply to that. Okay, the idea is square root of 4 is actually just 2. Okay, that's the definition of square root. Square root of 4 is 2. So the final simplified answer, I just bring that one down, is 2 square root of 5. Okay, so the key is understanding that the square root of 4 is 2. Okay, let's do another one, 32. Look at your list of perfect squares. Which one of these divides evenly into 32? You have two choices. 4 fits in actually, 4 times 8, or 16 times 2. You want to pick the biggest one. That will make your job easier. So I'll go 16, and then 2, because 16 times 2. I just picked 16 because it was in the list. 16 is a perfect square, meaning the square root of 16 comes out to a nice number. It says 4. No square root, just 4. This one just stays. So 4 times square root of 2, or 4 square root of 2, is a simplified radical. All right, one more. Square root of 100. Actually, that one actually is just 10. If it comes out to a whole number like that, you can just put the answer down. It's actually just 10. All right, I lied. Let's do one more. Let's say 18. Square root. Okay, pick the biggest number off the list. 4 doesn't go into 18, 9 does. So square root of 9 times what? 9 times 2 gives you 18. So we're talking 3 square root of 2. Okay, your assignment today is just going to be a delta math. So turn in a picture of these notes for credit, and you'll have to work on that delta math, which kind of reviews this topic and the distance formula topic. And that's your assignment for today, is to get through that delta math.